Are you? Are you? Are you? Made up in my head, or are you in my bedroom? Questions that I asked ever since I met you. Tell me, are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Something from a dream or something that I made up. Questions that I ask every time I wake up.
You never do too much. Somehow you steal enough from me. I can feel the rush, even when you slow dance for me. Looking at you laying right there. Are you from this world? I swear you're beautiful, spiritual. I just want you to know. Is it I pretend it's something I'm in real? I don't know what to think.